My SolBridge experience in one word would be welcoming, because I think coming here, the people showed me that they're very open people, that they interact with people, and they're very helpful. Doesn't matter where I was and what a problem I had, people came to me and helped me, which I think is very beautiful.
I will describe my experience as enriching because we have learned so many things from different points of view in a new environment and culture.
If I had to choose one word to describe the trip, it'd be interesting because we learned so many things that we didn't see before in class.
Thankful because SolBridge provided us with knowledge and guidance through this week.
Eye-opening. Now I've gained such deep meaning of what Korean culture means, and I think that will make me become a much more open person towards new cultures and the way I live my day-to-day life.
Beginning because it's a start to a new experience.
Surprising because I have discovered a very different culture from ours and also tried different food such as kimchi.